Here are some clever Amazon home and kitchen products you probably didn't know you needed. They're simple, useful, and perfect for making everyday tasks easier. As always, you'll find links to everything down in the description below. This is a folding washing machine you can take wherever you go. Just fill it with water from a sink and start the wash cycle. When you're done, remove the cap to drain the water, then run the cycle again without water to tumble dry your clothes. This portable shower lets you pump water from any container. You can place it in a bucket or tank to take a shower or rinse off gear anytime, anywhere. It charges via USB, so you can power it using a car charger, power bank, or wall outlet. These silicone laundry balls go straight into the wash with your clothes to help prevent tangling and improve cleaning. The soft texture creates extra friction to scrub clothes gently without damage. They're reusable, easy to toss in, and work with most washing machines. These bottles are made for freezing water and releasing ice easily. Once frozen, you press down to dispense the ice without handling it. You can pour the ice into a cup or use the bottle to drink from directly. These are stackable storage containers that are easy to put together. You can stack them as high as you need and use them to store clothes or anything else. They come with wheels, so you can move them around easily. This is an automatic shredder that lets you shred vegetables straight into a pan while you cook. Just hold the button and push the veggies through. It also comes with a container, so you can use it like a regular food processor when needed. These stackable stools are easy to store and help keep your space open. When you need extra seating or a small table, just roll them out and you're good to go. They're practical, easy to move, and they look great too. This gadget helps you make meatballs more quickly and easily. Just fill it with meat, flatten it out, and press down to shape perfect meatballs every time. This is a corn stripping tool that will make food prep so much easier. Just slide it along the cob and watch as the kernels fall off with ease. These hot dog rollers help you cook your sausages evenly on all sides. Place them on your barbecue and roll the hot dogs every few seconds for consistent results. This is a drain brush that helps clear out buildup in your drains. Just push it in, give it a twist, and the grime comes off with ease. This is a food chopper that helps you prep faster. Just add your ingredients, push down a few times, and you're done. This is an ice cube box that comes with 2 trays and fits neatly in your freezer. Just fill it with water, let it freeze, and press down to release the ice. It's simple, tidy, and ready to serve whenever you need it. This jar opener fits most lid sizes and makes opening jars much easier. Just place it on the lid, turn the knob, and release the jar with minimal effort. This sprayer nozzle attaches to most standard plastic bottles and can be used for watering plants. It's a simple way to reuse bottles and save money at the same time. These plastic racks help organize cans and bottles while saving space in your fridge. They're spring-loaded, so each time you take a drink, the rest slide forward automatically. These rotating plates are great for dinners and parties. Place them in the center of the table and spin to share food with everyone. They're heat-resistant too, so warm dishes are no problem. This plastic display box keeps your jewelry organized and easy to find. It's transparent, so you can find everything at a glance without digging around. Just slide out a drawer and pick what you need for the day. This pressure cup washer is a simple but cool upgrade for your sink. It installs neatly in the corner and rinses glasses with a quick press. Check out our other videos for more cool gadgets. See you guys in the next one.